Okay, well, we are here at Angel's Peak. I bet those clouds are just blowing out right now. It just went overcast, sun behind something. Fortunately, the best best sites in the campground are occupied. So we're going to head off to an area that maybe we can boondock. I did see someone else boondock in the spot, and we found that the only spot here that was kind of had a view was right next to the pit toilet, and I'm not even sure it was really a camp spot. So, I mean, there's a possibility these people are just day parking, you know, which would really make me mad.
Well, you want me to ask them? Because when we camped here,
there?
Yeah, there's a guy. Isn't that a person sitting on it? Oh, it's just his hat at one time. When we camped here, we parked down here.
Yeah.
I thought he was sitting in them. They probably are walking over on the thingy.
Mm-hmm. Anyway.
It's not like that's where you would camp in your car.
Yeah, I know, exactly. That's what I mean. There's no tent.
But why would they park up
Is there a guy?
Huh?
That's not somebody right there, is it?
Where?
In the back seat? Yeah, it is somebody. Yeah, there's somebody sleeping there in the back seat.
Oh, well, then we better leave them alone.
It's just kind of a bummer because there's places you can park that isn't a camp spot if you just are going.
You're not staying.
You're not staying. It's a very rude thing to do. Anyway, maybe they are. But this is the campground. There's only a few spots here on the edge, and right now it's absolutely gorgeous out there.
There's really not that many spots here at all. 3
Yeah.
on that other loop, 3 there, and really 1 it looks like here.
Yeah. Well, this isn't a spot.
This is not a spot. This is where you start that walk that goes around the edge.
That's strange. All right. Well, we will. It's so beautiful out there right now. I think I want to get out and get some photos, I think. Just in case in the morning it's not great.
It's not pretty.
Great Badlands out here. Incredible. All right, so here we are, and that in the center now is Angel's Peak. Yeah, so down on the bottom is a lot of oil stuff, so that's what that road is down there. Kind of cool, the rock formations out there in the center. Looks like here, this little point I'm on, you could keep walking down if you wanted. There's all kinds of trails around here, and like I say, it's BLM land, so you pretty much can do as you wish. All right, well, that's the Angel's Peak area, and we probably are going to camp here. I don't know. We haven't decided. We might go try. I think we're going to go try to find a boondocking spot, and then if we don't like that, maybe we'll come back here. Okay, we found our boondocking spot. We decided not to stay up in the campground. There wasn't any good spots. So we're back here. We're not super far off the road, I guess, but it's not like there's a lot of people go across here. Yeah, we got in early, and it was only about 2 o'clock, but we hadn't had lunch, so we went ahead and made dinner, and then I took a nap. I'm still trying to catch up. Not getting any sleep, and it's very windy, and it's raining all around us. We can see the rain falling all around us in different places. So let me give you a look around. Yeah, at one point when I got up from my nap, I was looking and there was rain trails everywhere. And then, so those over there on the right aren't hitting the ground, but here you can see they're definitely hitting the ground. I didn't point out earlier, I was told by Carol, reminded me that I had not told you guys or pointed out here, the snow-covered mountains. So offhand, I don't know what mountains those are. And then there's Angel's Peak, and you can probably see the snow capped over that way as well. Yeah, so here back over behind the camper, you can see we're just surrounded by rain coming down. We had a few drops, but nothing big yet. Looks like some possibilities. There's a lot of stuff, and I can't remember what it's called when the rain doesn't hit the ground, but there's a lot of that everywhere. Okay, so I just walked way out here, show you the Badlands area. I was gonna say I hadn't heard any or seen any lightning, but I just heard a big thunderclap, so I'm not sure I'm gonna stay out here very long. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Using the Seek app, we determined that these are desert paintbrush. So one of the other things that's kind of cool up here is that you have all these junipers all twisted and everything. There's one right by camp that's kind of turned around on itself. I'll go over and show you that one as well. Yeah, so here's this one at camp I was talking about. Cool. Well, kind of twisted around on itself. Thought that looked kind of cool. Light area inside, rain coming down below. Well, it has been crazy windy here for quite a while, and we got a little rain. And I thought I'd show you guys. See the dust off there down in the washes in the bottom of the Badlands area. Hard to hold this still with all this wind. Try not to lose my hat. Let's see the dust there over the ridge. Yeah, so anyway, this may be it for the night. I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we pretty much just drive straight on to our next place, and then a lot to see up in that area, but we have about a 3-hour drive, I guess, maybe a little more to get to our next destination. So again, thanks for watching. We always appreciate you guys tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment. All right, see you guys in the morning. Okay.